Today's topic is weather predictions. Weather predictions are also possible by the experts using supercomputers. Weather forecasting now relies on computer based models that take many atmospheric factors into account. Ever since computers are being used, there is a greater accuracy in weather forecasting. As you know that computers are used for weather predictions, especially here supercomputers are used. Supercomputer is the most powerful computers and the fastest computer in the world. पूरी दुनिया में जो सबसे तेज चलने वाला कंप्यूटर है ये हमारा सुपर कंप्यूटर. इट इज यूज्ड फॉर कलेक्टिंग डेटा with greater accuracy and in weather forecasting supercomputers are used. In weather predictions are possible by the experts using supercomputers. Weather forecasting are the most important for giving informations about the weathers. Next topic is sports. Computers are also used for umpiring decisions. Many a times the umpire has to go for the decision of third umpire, in which the recording is seen on the computer and finally an accurate and fair decision is reached. Simulation softwares helps the sportsman to practice and improve his skills. In sports, computers are used for improve skills. Also, it is used in umpiring decisions. As you all know that in cricket, umpire taking a decision with the help of computers. It is used by third umpire for the decisions, which is the recording is seen on the computer. In cricket especially, it is used in all type of sports, not only cricket, but we all are interested in cricket, while third umpire taking decisions with the help of computers by watching videos recorded on computer to take accurate and fair decision. It is also used by each player for improving their skills about new ideas, new inventions in sports industry. Next is arts and entertainment. It is a very interesting field, like video games are one of the most popular applications of personal computers. Computers are used in arts and entertainment also. And entertainment industries, each type of work are performed by computer, like recording videos, composing musics, recording all types of work. It is also used in arts by taking pictures, performing or adding special effects on that. In this industry, use the mainframe or supercomputers to handle all type of instructions. As you are aware that cartoon films, cartoon movies are made with the help of computers. It is very easy task to do that. Artists also using computers to compose their musics, playback musics in different variations. Next one is social media. The spreading of an idea or of news occurring somewhere in the world is now possible through social sites on the internet. As long as one person is able to connect to the internet and express their view about a situation or simply about an idea, then the information that individual will want to share will get out into the world. Sites such as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn, also WhatsApp, allow people to share idea on not just news but also on products and services. Nowadays, social media play an important role in our life. It is handled by computers because without computer we cannot imagine this type of platform working. Now, with the help of social media, we can easily get all type of information. We can share our ideas, view within a seconds. And the most popular social medias websites are Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, WhatsApp. These all are platforms of social medias where we can share ideas. Also, we can sell products or services with the help of social media. It is very important tools in this time. That's all about the topic. All students, You have to read the discussed topic very carefully and try to understand. If you have any doubts regarding any topics, then you can ask. Thank you.